Let's get right into it. Today, I'm going to be talking about a stock I picked up more of, and I'm holding 800 shares strong. It is trading at $2 a share at the time of this recording and has huge growth potential. I can see this stock having a great run this year because of the sector they are in and the possibilities with this company. Many institutions and well-respected investors are loading up on this stock and it can just take off. Now before I start talking about the stock, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell for more videos like this, and shout out to the over 34,000 of you who hit the bell. Is Midotech a pharma, or ticker symbol MTP? Now before you go search it up, let me explain why I'm invested in them and what they do. They are a drug delivery company for many types of cancers and diseases through their unique method and 3D printed ways. They have disruptive microsphere technology that prolong the release of different kinds of treatments and therapeutics which can be used to dissolve a tumor from medicine and remove it from a patient. This medicine can be inserted through a liquid form and is much less invasive, and this is a huge breakthrough in the medical field. Now I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. I can't explain it as good as they explain it, so here you go.
The proprietary Q-Sphera platform uses micro-piezo technology to individually print drug-loaded polymer microspheres, while simultaneously removing non-toxic solvents. Microspheres are produced at a rate of several million per second. When integrated with fill finish, batch manufacturing time can be accelerated to just 2 weeks, ensuring high scalability and efficiency. Full control over microsphere properties ensures homogeneity, eliminating wastage due to size variability. By fine-tuning the microsphere characteristics, Q-Sphera can create products tailored to the therapeutic needs of the patient. Preparation of microspheres for injection is simple and quick, and can be developed for use with self-injection devices. The homogeneity of particle size means a smaller needle can be used, leading to lower injection pain and site tenderness. The large drug loading capacity of the Q-Sphera microspheres and even distribution of the drug within the polymer matrix ensures a tailored delivery of drugs over a sustained period within the therapeutic window. Unlike immediate release medications that cause spikes and dips in plasma drug levels, leading to adverse outcomes, Q-Sphera therefore offers superior drug delivery for optimal patient outcome.
Now you can see the difference in technologies with current therapeutics and medicines. They have proven to be more effective than other treatments, and not only that, but they are much more consistent, which is a big problem with these other advanced treatments. Now a lot of you may not know this, but consistency is more important to the FDA than risks and side effects with their treatments. Most of the therapeutics that get rejected or deferred have to do with consistency issues rather than risks. Now what Midotech has done is they have created a better way to insert medicine, and they actually already have partnered with many other biotech companies, and this is a huge reason as to why I'm invested. Instead of playing the FDA approval game, they can work with other biotech companies and have a broader chance of approvals. Think of it like diversifying their treatments into more than one shot at approval, and are playing the numbers game, which is what I love. Now I think it's really important for everyone to look at the ETFs out there in the sector you like and see how they're performing. You can see in the past 3 months for biotech companies, they have been having a hype phase and have been doing exceptional. Not only just biotech companies, but all genomic stocks and things of this nature. I always look at a few ETFs and pay close attention to them and see how they are performing, because a lot of these stocks can somewhat reflect where the trends are going. These biotech stocks somewhat move together when there isn't news, so investors should understand that. I get a lot of questions every day from people asking me why I talk about biotech companies, and I think the sector will be having a hype phase soon, and it's already happening right now. Same thing for clean energy companies, and that's why most of my stock videos are either on clean energy or genomic stocks. If you look at the clean energy ETFs, they have been performing well, and both of these sectors are outperforming the S&P 500, which is a win in my book. Anything below the S&P 500's growth to me is a loss, and I want to outperform them. I see a lot of comments telling me I was wrong about Orbital Energy, that I was wrong about Oxygen, or that I was wrong about Sunworks, or that I was wrong about Gevo, and no, these are long-term companies and are not for the short term. Don't come back to this video tomorrow or even a month after, because the real growth will take place in the future. Now don't get me wrong, those comments have aged well, but the real growth comes from more than just these past few months, but years in the future. I sometimes don't even look at the stocks I'm invested in because the reason I am invested in these companies doesn't change overnight and I am locked in for long-term growth. If you want to see some growth, check out my Patreon below. I give my daily buy and sell alerts, my private portfolio, and even my penny stock picks before they go up, and it's a lot of fun. All of this comes with the private Discord, so check it out. Also, if English is not your first language, we have chats for you to talk to other people in over 200 different countries, and it's a positive community over there, and that's what I love. We take on the stock market together over there, so check out the Patreon in the top comment below. Anyway, MTP has many different trials going on at the moment, and even if they don't get one of them, it's fine because they are well diversified. Just like I am with my portfolio, it's always great to have multiple bets on other biotech partners rather than just one large bet, which is something I love. Their microsphere technology is nothing like the world has seen before, and this is huge. This can get paired with many different kinds of treatments, and the applications for this are insane. This microsphere technology is very efficient, and many people all over the world will soon have to put this on the radar because of the applications and mass production possibilities. It's also of much higher quality, which is something the FDA and the world can't ignore. Now it's important to know that this company is based in the United Kingdom, and I think this is a good thing because the value of the company would be higher just from being an American company. They also have a 3D printing process for this technology, and it's something to know about. The dimensions for the microsphere are small, and they are more sustainable. Now for the institutions invested, we have Renaissance Technologies, and you guys know I love this hedge fund, and they are my most favorite hedge fund of all time. Mathematician turned investor, Jim Simons runs this hedge fund, and behind Cathie Wood and ARK, this is my favorite institution out there. Their year-over-year returns speak for themselves, and they have outgrown the markets for the last 7 years now, and they have proved themselves in this space. They have an interesting position in this stock, and it's appealing to me. Now, let's get into some price targets and where I see the stock going in the future. I can see the stock going to above $30 a share by the end of the year, even by my most conservative estimates. They are truly a one-of-a-kind company, and I can see them possibly getting picked up by ARK because of their disruptive nature. 4 of the companies I made videos on were picked up by ARK later on, and I can see BNGO or Bionanogenomics and this one possibly getting picked up. This company long-term looks great, and they haven't raised much cash at all because like I said, they're doing more partnerships, and I love this style